Welcome to QuestRead. When a child goes to QuestRead, this is what they'll see at first. This is their quest. On the left-hand side here, you'll see a flame. This gives a child a daily goal to work towards. When they light up that flame, it means they have accomplished their reading goal for that day, which is 10 active minutes of reading out loud. There are various nodes here on the path as you work towards your flag. After you reach this flag, you'll go into a new world. So the child is always moving forward on their quest adventure. They click go to get into their next book. All the books that are on this page here are suggested to them based on their current reading level. So their age, which adapts to their needs as they make progress. So to see the books available to them, you click change book, and you can click read to start. So let's start with this one here. To get started, I'm going to start recording. Kick the ball, have fun. I press pause when I'm done, and I can either listen to myself reading this. Kick the ball, have fun. If I'm happy with it, I keep going. If not, I can delete it. Children love to be able to hear themselves reading, so this feature also encourages them to do repeated reading. At the top, I'll see a progress bar that helps me as I go through the book. Chase it down the field. Pass to your friend. Score a goal, hooray! Run and dribble fast. Another thing I can do on the book here is click on the settings and adjust the way that the words look on the screen. I can change the font setting. There's one here for dyslexia. I can change the type size, the spacing, the line height, adjust it to meet my specific needs. And once you change it once, it will stay that way. For listen mode, there's also playback speed. Try to steal the ball. Kick with all your might. Defend the net. Save. Soccer is a blast. Now I'm done. I see that little reward and I see that I've made some more progress on my path. Now I can look on the book race here and see where I stack up against the other players. Every week I'm competing as a reader against the other players who are part of this week's race. And I have a chance to earn real-world prizes at the end of every month. I can also track my progress here and keep and work towards a streak. I can see which days I've been reading on, and I see how many minutes I've read. I can change my avatar here to any of these folks. And that's it. We keep it very simple so that kids are motivated. They spend most of the time reading books out loud instead of getting distracted with the other choices or game elements. All the game is to move them forward in the game so they spend more time reading books. Now, if you are a developing reader and you want to listen to the book instead, you can do that too. You could click on listen. So it goes through and you can listen to this as the words are highlighted, and this bimodal reading of listening and seeing the words highlighted helps you make the connections in your brain and helps you develop your reading fluency and confidence so that you can go back and then record books on your own and read more books out loud. So those are the reading modes on QuestRead. When you complete a world, there's a big celebration like this, and I keep going. All right, we hope that you have a great adventure on QuestRead and spend lots of time reading.